In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen on TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or have been using it for some time, you might occasionally find yourself in full screen mode and need a smooth way out. Today, we'll explore just how to do that quickly and easily. Let's start by navigating to the chart. If you're not already in TradingView, open your preferred web browser and go to the TradingView website. Log in with your credentials, and once you've logged in, head over to the chart section. This is typically where you'll analyze market trends and do most of your interactive work. Full screen mode is an excellent feature when you want to focus solely on the chart without any distractions. It gives you a clear, unobstructed view, but there will be times when you need to exit this mode and return to the standard view to access other features or tools. Now, to exit full screen mode, the simplest and most straightforward method is to use your keyboard. Locate the ESC key, which stands for Escape, usually found in the top left corner of most keyboards. It's designed to close or minimize a window or pop-up. Pressing the ESC key will immediately take you out of full screen mode, restoring the interface to its regular layout with all the menus and toolbars visible again. For those who prefer using a mouse or trackpad, there is usually another way to exit full screen, although it's not highlighted in our primary focus today. You might typically find an exit full screen icon on the screen's toolbar, or a double arrow icon, which you can click on to toggle between full screen and windowed modes. However, using the ESC key is the most efficient method for most users. It's also worth mentioning that knowing how to quickly exit full screen can save you time and prevent any potential frustration, especially when working within a fast-paced or time-sensitive trading environment. By mastering this simple action, you're ensuring that your workflow remains uninterrupted and smooth. And there you have it. Exiting full screen mode on TradingView is as simple as a tap on the ESC key. This straightforward yet effective method ensures that you're back in control of your entire screen setup on TradingView in no time. Feel free to practice this step a few times to make it second nature. We hope this guide helps you maneuver through TradingView more effectively. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.